Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make watermelon mocktail, so stick around and enjoy this video. Get your watermelon ready. Next thing is to cut the watermelon into halves because you have to remove the seeds of the watermelon properly. Hold up, hit the subscribe button and the bell button. Next step is to cut the watermelon into cubes for ease of blending, and blend all the way. In the place of sugar, you can use honey, guys. It is very optional. When blending, you do not need to add water. Hey guys, please smash that subscribe button and the like button. Hey guys, so in this style we'll be juicing the mix. As you can see in my blender, there is an extractor in my blender. This is to take away the shaft after blending. Unlike the first style that we did blend all the contents together, in this style there's an extractor to take away the shaft from the mix, so we only get the juice out of it. But if you do not have an extractor, you do not need to worry. You can just use a sieve and sieve out the shaft to get the juice. As you can see, this is lighter than that of the first style. If you are team fit farm, you can skip the sugar step and maybe add honey, or do not add any of it at all. So guys, you will need to add soda when serving this mocktail to give that bubble, that sizzle. Can you see? Hey guys, so I served my watermelon mocktail with some peanut. What would you be serving your mocktail with? Drop your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and click this box for more videos. See you in my next video. Cheers guys.